Simut zombie den jammer Ophiocordyceps, control pikiran di alam. Welcome to the jungle, to a world teeming with life, where survival often hinges on a knife's edge. We've all seen the power struggles between predator and prey, the majesty of a lion bringing down a gazelle, or the stealth of a leopard stalking through the undergrowth. But nature has far stranger and more sinister tales to tell. Today, we venture into the world of parasites, into the shadowed depths where the line between life and death blurs, into the macabre yet fascinating relationship between the Ophiocordyceps fungus and carpenter ants. For here, in the humid, vibrant rainforests, a fungus has mastered the art of mind control, turning unsuspecting ants into puppets, into vehicles for its own survival. Join me as we unravel this extraordinary tale of parasitic manipulation, a story that reveals the intricate dance between evolution and survival, and the incredible lengths to which life will go to ensure its own propagation. We will explore how this fungus takes control, the evolutionary arms race it represents, and how this remarkable phenomenon has captured our imaginations in popular culture. Deep in the rainforest understory, a carpenter ant, oblivious to the danger lurking nearby, goes about its daily routine. It moves with purpose, unaware of the silent threat that looms in the air around it. It forages for food, diligently following the pheromone trails laid down by its nestmates, a vital cog in the intricate machinery of the ant colony. Each step it takes is guided by the invisible chemical signals that ensure the colony's survival. But fate, in the form of microscopic spores, has other plans for this unsuspecting worker. These spores, though invisible to the naked eye, are a formidable force in the natural world. The Ophiocordyceps spores, carried on the wind, are searching for a host, and this ant, unfortunately, fits the bill perfectly. The spores land gently on the ant, almost like a whisper of doom. The spores, tiny and insidious, land on the ant's exoskeleton, finding their way through tiny crevices and cracks, gaining entry into the ant's body. This marks the beginning of a sinister transformation. Inside the ant, the real horror begins. The spores germinate, and the fungal cells start to invade the ant's internal organs, setting the stage for a gruesome takeover. The fungal cells multiply, spreading throughout the ant's body like a creeping, silent invasion. They consume the ant's nutrients, growing stronger with each passing moment. But unlike a virus or bacteria that simply destroys cells, the Ophiocordyceps fungus has a far more sinister plan in mind. It doesn't just kill, it controls. It begins to manipulate the ant's behavior, hijacking its brain, turning the ant from a free-thinking individual into a zombie slave. The ant's actions are no longer its own. The ant, once a vital part of a highly organized society, now becomes a mere vessel, its fate no longer its own. It starts to act in ways that are completely out of character. The fungus compels the ant to leave the safety of the nest, to climb, driven by an irresistible urge, upwards, ever upwards. This journey is not one of survival, but of sacrifice. The ant, its tiny body racked by the fungus growing within, ascends the stalk of a plant, its movements jerky and uncoordinated. Each step is a struggle, a testament to the fungus's control. Reaching a certain height, dictated by the fungus, the ant, now a mere puppet, clamps its mandibles onto the underside of a leaf with a death grip. This is the final act of its tragic journey. This location, chosen by the fungus, provides the perfect microclimate, the ideal humidity and temperature, for the next stage of the fungus's life cycle. The ant's final resting place is a carefully selected spot. The ant, its life force ebbing away, can only cling on, its body a prisoner to the fungus that has commandeered its very being. It is a tragic end for the once industrious worker. And within the ant's body, the Ophiocordyceps fungus grows, its tendrils reaching out, consuming the ant's non-essential organs, leaving the vital organs intact until the very end. The fungus ensures the ant remains alive just long enough to complete its mission. Finally, with the ant still clinging to the leaf, its life extinguished, the fungus makes its final move. The ant's body, now lifeless, serves as a platform for the fungus's next stage. A long stalk, a fruiting body, erupts from the ant's head, growing upwards, reaching towards the light filtering through the rainforest canopy. This stalk will release spores, continuing the cycle of life and death in the rainforest. The macabre spectacle of the zombie ant is more than just a gruesome curiosity. It is a testament to the power of evolution, showcasing the intricate and often brutal mechanisms that drive life on Earth. A powerful reminder of the constant struggle for survival that plays out in every corner of our planet, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Scientists, fascinated by this macabre relationship, are studying the Ophiocordyceps fungus and its unfortunate host, the carpenter ant, to unlock the secrets of evolution, to understand the intricate dance between parasite and host, a dance that has been perfected over millions of years. By analyzing the fungus's DNA, scientists hope to unravel the mechanisms behind its mind control abilities, delving deep into the genetic code that allows such precise manipulation. How does it manipulate the ant's behavior? What evolutionary advantages does this provide to the fungus? What chemical signals does it use to override the ant's own instincts? These questions drive the research forward. These are questions that continue to intrigue and baffle scientists, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of parasitism and coevolution. The relationship between the Ophiocordyceps fungus and the carpenter ant is a perfect example of coevolution, where two species evolve in response to each other. Over millennia, the fungus has evolved to become a master manipulator, perfectly adapted to exploit the ant's biology, turning it into a vehicle for its own reproduction. The ant, in turn, has evolved defenses, albeit limited, to avoid infection, showcasing the ongoing arms race between parasite and host. Scientists believe that the ant's social behavior, its tendency to live in large colonies, may have inadvertently aided the fungus's evolution, providing ample opportunities for the fungus to spread. The close proximity of ants within a colony provides the perfect breeding ground for the fungus, allowing it to spread rapidly from one individual to another, ensuring its survival and propagation. This evolutionary arms race, this constant back and forth between parasite and host, has resulted in some truly remarkable adaptations, highlighting the resilience and adaptability of life. Some ant species, for example, have evolved the ability to detect infected nestmates, removing them from the colony before the fungus can spread, a testament to their social intelligence. Scientists are also studying the Ophiocordyceps fungus for its potential medicinal benefits, exploring its unique properties. Some compounds found within the fungus have shown promise in treating cancer and boosting the immune system, opening new avenues for medical research. The study of these compounds is still in its early stages, but the potential benefits are vast, offering hope for new treatments and therapies in the future. Chapter 3. Inspirasi Budaya Pop. The horrifying yet captivating story of the zombie ant, a creature stripped of its free will, its body hijacked by a parasitic fungus, has captured our imaginations, seeping from the realm of scientific journals into the world of popular culture. This tiny creature's plight has become a symbol of nature's darker side. From video games to movies, the zombie ant has become a symbol of parasitic horror, a stark reminder of the vulnerability of life itself. It shows how even the smallest creatures are not immune to the forces of nature. The popular video game, The Last of Us, presents a terrifying, albeit fictionalized, take on the Ophiocordyceps fungus. In the game, the fungus mutates, crossing the species barrier, infecting humans, transforming them into monstrous zombie-like creatures. This fictional scenario taps into our deepest fears about pandemics and loss of control. The game's creators drew inspiration from the real-life Ophiocordyceps fungus, using its chilling story as a springboard for a post-apocalyptic world where humanity teeters on the brink of extinction. The game's narrative explores themes of survival and human resilience. The zombie ant's influence extends beyond video games, finding its way into movies like The Girl with All the Gifts and Maggie. These films delve into the psychological and societal impacts of a fungal pandemic. These movies explore the human cost of a fungal pandemic, the breakdown of society, and the struggle for survival, in a world where the infected are no longer human. They highlight the fragility of human civilization in the face of nature's wrath. The zombie ant's story, though rooted in the natural world, resonates with our deepest fears, tapping into our anxieties about control, free will, and the fragility of our own existence. It forces us to confront the uncomfortable reality of how little control we have over our own lives. We are fascinated and horrified by the idea of a creature losing control of its own body, its actions dictated by an outside force. This concept is both alien and terrifying to us. But the zombie ant is more than just a horror story. It is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life, the delicate balance of nature, and the constant struggle for survival that plays out all around us. Every creature, no matter how small, plays a role in the grand tapestry of life. It is a story that encourages us to look closer, to marvel at the wonders of the natural world, even in its most gruesome forms. The zombie ant teaches us to appreciate the complexity and beauty of nature's processes. So the next time you find yourself walking through a forest, take a moment to appreciate the intricate web of life around you. Notice the small details and the interconnectedness of all living things. And remember the zombie ant, a testament to the power of evolution and the enduring fascination of the natural world. Its story is a powerful reminder of the mysteries and marvels that nature holds. From the intricate workings of the fungus's mind control, to the evolutionary arms race it represents, and its impact on popular culture, the zombie ant offers a unique glimpse into the wonders and horrors of the natural world. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the fascinating world of the Ophiocordyceps fungus and the zombie ant. We've witnessed the extraordinary power of nature, the intricate relationships between different species, and the constant struggle for survival that plays out in every corner of our planet. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the darker side of nature, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our natural world.